let's hop to it.
Morning, everybody. We're on our way back to Staten. We gotta finish up the final grade I did. I started. Figure out what to do after that. Only thing on the list today, so hopefully it'll be an easy Friday. Oh yeah, happy Friday. More freight. We're in the Cat 305 today. We're gonna get this yard all graded out. I gotta pick up this trash. I'm not gonna do it by hand this time. Too much trash. How you doing? One of the dig outs isn't wide enough. A couple feet. We gotta track this machine across the job site, and I'm just getting the bucket switched here, but we're gonna track the machine across the job site and go fix this. I don't know if you see that green line or not, but that's where we need to get it dug out to. Put a little wider for them so they can. That all done. It's not very pretty because they're just gonna come form and mess it up anyway, but there's a skiff of gravel on it. I gotta go back to the other side of the job site and put out another fire. So in the process, this being right in the middle of the driveway, in the process this thing gets ran over all the time. These things just, we gotta fix them. Look, they got concrete stuck on it. Let's see if I can't get it off like this. Anyway, he cambered it and found out there was gravel down in there. Can't see down in there, can you? You guys see down in there? Or is it too blurry? Let's see if we can get down in there. See, there's gravel. That should be white. So, because of that T. So, hose over there. And our clean out. This is our clean out, the one we install. See if we can get water over there to push some of that stuff down. See if we got clean water coming into the sewer manhole. No. Open up the other manhole. And I don't think it's supposed to be like that.
You know, someone who's perfect for your role. So how does ZipRecruiter do it so quickly?
We got a lot of dirt sitting in this front yard, so we gotta move it before we can even attempt to get a grade.
Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/hire. That's ZipRecruiter.com/hire. At Progressive, we're making things even easier. We'll help you.
It has been an eventful last like hour. But we are back on it now. Getting the dirt moved. That's about it. We're just moving dirt. Well, I got a big mound of dirt here that I got to get rid of before I can even grade any of all this out. But I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get some food. So camera angles are gonna be a little bit limited. My little holder thing broke on me. I just paid like 20 bucks a week ago for that thing. Oh yeah. Sorry, it's kind of loud, but got all that dirt moved. That's all done. It's kind of the shape. Oh yeah, it's super loud out here. But now I'm gonna set you guys outside on time lapse, and you can watch me do it for free. So we got this all graded out, looking pretty. So that vault and everything sits like a foot, 2 foot higher than the sidewalk grade. So I kind of had to slope everything out, and then there's the flow going this way and towards the center, all the way down. So when this house is built, it'll kind of be the same way. We're gonna try to match the height of this foundation with this one, but we are done with this one, folks. So if you liked what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I always mess that up. Yeah, hit that like button up, share it with your friends and family, leave a comment. You know, the same old same. So until next time.